So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the 31st of May 2026. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, check out the description box. I'm conducting a live Osho 7 day 7 meditation event from 5th to the 11th of June. If you're interested, if you are also passionate like me about meditation, new ways of meditation, you can definitely join. It will be a lot of fun. No recordings will be provided because I'm not authorized to have Osho meditations recorded. And 3500 is the price for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD, quite cheap. So I'll see you on the other side. Let's start. Aquarius, keep in mind these are journal messages. They might or might not resonate. If they does, good. If they don't worry about it. Just let it be. Let's see the overall energy for Aquarius people for this week. Let me give it a good shuffle, and then I'm not going to do it again. Okay. Overall energy is the 8 of Ariel. Take great pride in your excellent work. You have done something really good, Aquarius, and you guys should like give yourself a tap on the back. Take great pride in your excellent work. Practice makes perfect. If you want to be perfect in something, practice is going to make you guys perfect. Consider getting additional education or training in a particular situation so that you guys can get maybe some kind of promotion or salary hike or some kind of education. Okay, for today we have the 8 of Gabriel, a great deal of activity, sudden and immediate results, important communication. A lot is shifting, a lot is changing, a lot of things are happening at the same time. Sudden and immediate results are also happening. You were not expecting for some kind of results to come. Maybe they came early, or maybe you got the results instantly for something that you were doing. Important communication for some of you. Important communication is also going to happen very soon, if not today, very soon, regarding mostly for your job and career and finances. 26, we have the 7 of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in, Aquarius. If you are not going to stand up for what you believe in, nobody else is going to do that for you. So you guys have to do that favor for yourself. You have to stand up for what you truly believe in. Have faith and confidence that whatever you believe in is actually good. Until unless you guys are going to have that faith or confidence in yourself, nobody else can do anything about the situation. Claim your personal power. Claim what you believe in is your right, and is something that you truly deserve. 27th, we have the King of Michael. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Wisdom is like the experience, the knowledge that you have gathered till this point of your life and how you are going to use it. Objectivity is like you have to see things from an objective point of view perspective instead of being subjective about it. And these two things are very important for you guys in order to understand your situation from a different perspective. Stay in your integrity, meaning where even if nobody is watching you, just choose to do the right thing, even if nobody is trying to take the accountability, or even if nobody is asking you anything. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Some kind of communication is very important. Any kind of miscommunication or gap in communication needs to be resolved as soon as possible before it's going to be very much complicated and difficult to deal with kind of a situation. 28, we have the solutions. Success that comes from objective compromise. Objectivity is very important. For search the meaning of objectivity and let me know in the comment section what is the meaning of objectivity in this scenario. Wisdom and objectivity are important. Objective compromise is required. Let me know in the comment section because I am not able to understand this. To be honest with you, right now my mind is not working. I'm just reading the card as a robot. Okay, I'm not connected to the read. I'm tired. I did the 10 readings before that. I was sleeping the whole day because of the cough syrup, and now I'm okay. It's not a complaint or something. I'm just telling you guys, sharing with you guys. Self-control and patience is very important for you guys in order to achieve something long-term. And forgiving and healing energies are also required in order for you guys to move forward in a particular direction of your life. Now, if you're going to ask me why can't I do this reading tomorrow, because it's from 25th till the 31st, so I have to do it today only. That's the reason. Okay. And a lot of people are going to mail me, oh, you always forget about it. No, I don't want that. 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. 29th, we have the 5 of Raphael. Everything happens for a reason. So Aquarius, you guys have to understand this, like ingrain it somewhere. Everything happens for a reason. Even if we don't know the reason as a human about a particular person or situation, whatever happens, whatever is unfolding. Release regret. So you might be living in some kind of regret and or guilt regarding a situation that you're not able to manage or handle, that you were not able to manage or handle. The past is in the past and it's gone, and you can't do anything about it, no matter what you did, no matter how it unfolded. Embrace the opportunities for happiness. Learn from your past mistakes and embrace the opportunities for happiness that's coming your way. Try to live in the present moment as much as you can. Search for the silver lining, meaning focus on the positives of your life instead of focusing too much on the negatives. Instead of becoming pessimistic, try to be optimistic. Okay, not toxic or optimistic energy, like okay, you are positive enough even if you guys are in graveyard. That's not what I say. Optimism is like, with time everything is going to change, everything is going to shift. With your awareness, with your consciousness expanding, things are going to be much more peaceful and subtle for you, right? That is what I meant. 25th, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30th, we have two of Michael. It will all be better if you just make a decision. If you guys are not going to make a solid choice or decision in a particular direction, you guys are going to go in circles around a situation. Over analyzing a problem is not going to help you guys at any cost. Making a choice and decision and sticking to that choice or decision of yours is definitely going to help in getting what you really, really, really want. Finding a compromise or middle ground in a situation is highly, highly recommended in order to maintain peace, or in order to get what you really achieve, what you really deserve and desire for and hope for in a particular situation. 31st, we have the Magician. You can manifest the life you want. Aquarius, you have the energy now, you have the right timings now, right kind of dynamics now. You can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. So you guys have to have the proper clarity and understanding of what you want and why you want it, and then the universe is going to bring it for you in your life. But proper clarity and understanding of what you want, and then trying to do whatever it takes from your side in order for manifestation to come to fruition is going to help you a lot. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. King of Raphael. Yes, it is safe to trust. Yes, it is safe to trust yourself, the process, the divine, the ability to accomplish many things at once. You guys have the capacity and the ability to accomplish many things at once in this particular week. So make good use of this week, because the more you are going to remain active and sort things out, the more it's going to be like helpful for you for the next week. Follow your creative passions. Stay in touch with your creative side or your a feminine side. That is going to help you to make life a little bit peaceful and smoother than what it is right now. I am sort like losing words. But anyways, don't forget to check out the link for the meditation event. I'm very passionate about meditation, so I love that doing that thing. I can talk about it for the whole night, but I know you might not be. But check out for it, and it's not that much costly, so you guys can definitely join. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.